ठीक है, सुनो और समझो इस चीज को। स्टॉप हाइडिंग बिहाइंड योर एक्सक्यूजेस, इंस्टेड bury them in a graveyard. तुम कहते हो you are too young. Mark Zuckerberg became a billionaire at 23 through Facebook. And for your kind information, I am also just 14 years old. तुम कहते हो तुम्हारे पास टाइम नहीं है. Elon Musk worked for 100 plus hours a week and then slept at Tesla factory. तुम कहते हो you have already tried for 100 plus times. You know what? Howard Schultz was rejected 242 times trying to raise funds for Starbucks. And for your kind information, I am also just 14 years old. This is my 4th account and 2nd year in content creation field. And I have been consistent from the day one. And मैं बीच बीच में अपने बारे में इसलिए बता रही हूँ so that you don't think that मैं खाली बकवास करूँ या फिर बस ऐसे ही बोलने के लिए बोल रही हूँ. I am also on the same path. तुम कहते हो you are too broke. J.K. Rowling was a single mother on welfare before she wrote Harry Potter. तुम कहते हो कि तुम्हारे पास डिग्री नहीं है. Richard Branson dropped out at 16 with dyslexia and now owns 400 plus companies. और क्या बचे? Now what? और क्या एक्सक्यूज बचे? अगर है तो कहो. I have more examples to give. मैं और examples बता सकती हूँ. Success doesn't ask for your age, your permission or your bank balance. It all asks for your work. I'm 14 and I'm already in the game. Your excuses are all by your choice. ठीक है, I understand कि problems होती हैं. Everyone has problems in their life and everyone just has circumstances when they're trying to do something great. But the thing is that you don't have to stop because of your problems. तुम्हें अपने problems को अपना reason नहीं बनाना है not to go ahead. Problems are meant to come and meant to go also, meant to be solved. Problems are meant to be solved. They are made, they are there so that you can solve them. Problems have a solution. Why a solution word is there? Because problem has solutions. Problem is meant to have solutions. So don't make your problems, don't turn your problems into an excuse to not grow in your life. Don't turn your problems like an excuse ki, oh, I can't do this because I'm not educated, I don't have this much money, my parents aren't supporting. So what? That's a problem. Doesn't matter how much small or big your problem is. It's your duty to solve it. And you know what? You can never see. जितने भी लोगों का मैंने नाम लिया of these successful people, you can never imagine their pain and their struggle. How easy it is to talk about their success story. How easy it is to talk about them. It's not that easy to understand their struggle, and we can never understand because maybe the problems we find small, they might find them big. So you cannot, make an assumption about how hard it is for a person because everyone has their own way and everyone has their own potential of dealing with problems. They have their own level and potential. You can never judge on that basis. Okay, that thing is another thing. What I want to say is that problems are meant to be there in everyone's life. They are there in everyone's life, and you cannot expect that if you will stop because of your problems, because of your circumstances, people will actually understand and appreciate it that okay, this person had the will to do it but he or she didn't. They are not going to appreciate it because its problem is there in everyone's life. The thing what makes you special is when you don't stop because of those problems, when you actually grow from those problems. When you actually learn, solve, and then go ahead of those problems. That's the time when you become different from people. Otherwise, 8.3 billion population is there. Everyone would be successful. Why they are not? Because not everyone has that will. Not everyone has that capability. And you don't have that capability since birth. You have to develop it. At last, I just want to say that don't turn your problems, your circumstances into your excuses to not grow in life. It's not a big deal if you have problems in your life. Everyone has them. That's it. Just learn to solve your problems instead of just getting stuck because of them. That's it.